What's going on, guys? We're going to take a quick look at the Nasdaq futures as we start to head into the overnight session. So we got to get ready for the boys in London as they do open up at around 2 a.m. My time, which I am located in California. So around 2 a.m. you get that heavy action from the London boys. Definitely want to keep an eye on futures going into the pre-market. So obviously coming off these low CPI data numbers, put in a little bit of an inside bar day yesterday, and an inside bar day is pretty much we didn't close higher than the highs, we didn't close lower than the lows, and then today we did get that initial washout on a lot of stocks as well as some of the indexes. So what I'm currently looking at right now on the Nasdaq, as we do trade at 11,900, down around 100 points, we could be looking at a little bit of a potential dead cat bounce. Any of you guys who do like to trade futures and you guys want to try to play the potential bounce going into the overnight and pre-market session, all you're going to do is hold a long position over these lows. These lows is going to be your stop. So right here at 1500 hours is going to be the low wick at $11,890.75. You can put it a few ticks below that just in case they try to get those stop losses going. I like to normally go 3, 4, 5 points below my target stop. So if my target stop is 11,890, I will go about 5, 6, 7 points below that, and then that will be my very, very hard stop. And then you're just going to essentially just ride this trade and see if we can test on the 1 hour time frame the 10-day moving average or the linear regression or the 20, or hell, even come all the way back up here to the 50-day moving average, which is sitting at around 12,133. Now this would be a pretty good price target. I could see us coming to and then kind of consolidating and then before rolling over for another leg down. Just keep in mind that our macro supply, our macro demand here for support is going to be sitting at $11,628. I would expect the Nasdaq to at least test this before we do see any significant leg down or any significant dead cat bounce. Now, if you are looking to play this to the short side and you want to ignore any type of bounce, then go ahead and let it continue to keep consolidating. Ignore the bounces, and you are going to take a very easy short position through 11,890. You would be trying to target this lower Bollinger Band sitting at around 11,812. So we would be looking for essentially anywhere between 40 to 70 points to the downside. That's going to be the move that I would try to target personally. So you have to play, you have two ways that you can play the Nasdaq. Both of them are going to give you technical reasons for taking the trade. Both of them are going to give you technical stop losses. On the long play, your stop loss is through the low of day, right? The low of day of that 11,890. If you are choosing to go short and this breaks and it starts to close back up over the 5-day moving average, which is sitting at around 11,922, that's your stop. So use the 5 SMA on the 1 hour time frame as your stop loss. If you are going short, use the low of day wick here at 11,890 as your stop if you're going long. Other than that, going to be very, very slow action going into the overnight session and pre-market. Just let the play do its thing. Sometimes you got to kind of let these things wiggle around a little bit and let these plays kind of drag out. If you guys are trading futures, set some stops, throw some orders out there. You don't have to, sit there and wait for these things to kind of trigger in front of your eyes. You can put those orders in there. For example, if you want to put a sell order here, I would put a sell order below that. Put your stop loss over this consolidation here. Let the trade trigger. Let it work. If it stops you out, it stops you out. If you want to get long, put your stop loss here. Put your take profit here, here, or here. And obviously, if it does not work out, you can just quickly get out of that trade. But again, good luck to everyone tomorrow. Again, don't try to force anything. You don't have to try to be a hero. If you guys want to join my Discord and trade with us each and every single day live, make sure to check out the description box below. If you guys are looking to trade futures and don't have the necessary capital, make sure you guys also check the description box below, show you guys how to get funded. And if you guys want to learn my strategies, all that information is down there as well. I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Hope you guys all have a fantastic night.